Christian, hello po. Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for being here today. And I'm very excited this coming December dahil po isi-celebrate ko ang aking 15th year anniversary. Of course, isang dekada mahigit ng napakaraming journey, napakaraming learnings, napakaraming pinagdaanan, pero andito pa rin tayo ngayon and we just keep on moving forward. So maraming salamat. Of course, to all the members of the press that's here and the media po and our vloggers, maraming salamat po. And of course, to our sponsors as well, of course, Casino Plus, thank you so much for the generosity also for Bench, Velo, and CDO, White Flower, and Oxygear. Maraming salamat po. So I'm ready to answer your questions, guys, and thank you for being here again.
Ayan, okay. Simulan na natin. And I think sisimulan ito ng aking nasa bunutan na listahan. Miss Kate from Random Republic.
Miss Kate!
Ayan. Okay, ito na lang yung mic.
Congratulations, 15 years. Pakwento naman ano yung concept ng event and why in Santa Rosa?
Well, number one, the purpose of the 15th anniversary is all about giving back and paying it forward. Gusto ko po kasi talagang bigyang highlight naman, of course, in the past years kasi puro na lang ako yung nakikita natin, yung nakikita ng audience, and yung nakikita ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. And right now, all of the people naman that's very much part of my journey in the past 15 years, sila naman yung mabibigyang highlight with this event. And why Santa Rosa? Because sa tagal ko sa industriya kasi hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng event na or a big event na nagawa sa lugar kung saan ako lumaki. And of course, with the help of the people in Santa Rosa as well, we were able to mount this event. And I'm very excited para kahit papano, may balik ko naman to sa mga kababayan ko na since day one was always, is always there for me. Thank you, Kate.
Thank you. Ang ganda nun. So, first time mo pala din
First time,
doon.
Milo, yes. Kasi parang I only get to visit Santa Rosa. Siyempre, pag umuwi ako to visit my family. And alam ito ng mga kababayan ko whenever I go to Sikayan Festival. Every year kasi yun eh. So, lagi ako nagpaparado doon. Kumbaga, it's my, parang panata ako na yun sa, I mean, just a little way to say thank you to them. Pero ngayon, dito ko naman gagawin para at least isang buong event na.
Ang ganda. Pasok. Diba, pasok sa banga yung celebration natin and sobrang laki niyan for 15 years.
Yes.
Okay. Next question naman po tayo from Sir John.
Yeah.
Bueno, ayan.
Yes.
Hi, Alden.
Yes, John.
Okay. Well, I've always been asking you questions about you for most of the time. But let me ask you this one instead. What has been like the best fan interaction that you've ever had wherein you learned something?
Sa dami din kasi dyan. I think there were a lot of fan interactions wherein nagugulat na lang ako dun sa mga naririnig kong news about what happened. But in general kasi, I think one of the most important things and the most memorable to me is yung mga paano ba to? Paano ko ba sabihin na parang hindi self-service? But anyway, sabihin ko na rin. Yung mga natulungan ko before, nalalapit sa akin and then sasabihin na ito na yung buhay nila ngayon just because of that. Actually, help that we were able to give. Actually, maliit na tulong lang yun. But on how it really changed their life and gave them comfort. I think yun yung minsan mga nagugulat akong fan encounters with ups to the mom, or let's say, well, one of the things to be specific was when this happened way back 2019 was, I don't know if nakwento ko na to, but hindi ko lang talaga siya makalimutan because it's my core memory. There was this girl who was standing in the crowd and opening to nung tindahan namin sa Binyan. And then she was holding a diploma and then parang nakatingin lang siya sa akin the whole time. Tapos she was smiling and then ako nag-iisip, sabi ko, ba't kaya lagi nakangiti sa akin tong si ate? And then when the time came na pwede na siyang makalapit sa akin, she approached me and then she told me that graduate na siya. And I was responsible for her accomplishment sa college or in school. So, I mean, I think, but the main point that I want to say about things like that is, wala talaga sa volume ang pagtulong. May it be small, may it be big. It's the thought, it's the effect it has on people. And parang it gives me more, it gives me more passion, it gives me more, it grounds me where I am right now. Na parang because of all the things that I'm doing in my own small way, it creates ripples of kindness and it extends to the common good. So parang isa yun sa mga bagay kung bakit pinagpapatuloy ko yung ginagawa ko ngayon is really to have that kind of platform, that kind of reach when it comes to people. And that's what keeps me going. So ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam to have those kinds of fan encounters and supporter encounters.
Thank you so much, Alden.
Thanks, John.
Thank you, John. Pero syempre, thank you rin, Alden, for helping, other people. Kahit syempre, ito nalalaman lang din namin now na tumutulong tayo sa mga maliliit. Totoo! Ano ka ba? So, maraming salamat sa pagtulong at pagiging inspirasyon na din sa karamihan. So, sana ituloy-tuloy lang, syempre, na mag-inspire tayo. Ayan, thank you. From PEP naman po tayo, Sir Bernie. Next question.
Yes, Sir Burns.
Hello,
Long time no see.
congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
15 years is no joke, no? Tapos nakita namin recently, you found a new purpose for your voice. You make brave comments about corruption or online bullying. So, ito ba yung nakikita mong bagong purpose for your voice? Kasi you know that you have a big influence.
I have to admit, parang when it comes to call-outs and voicing out my opinions in terms of current events, I was silent for the longest time. I don't want to be part of it. Parang, for lack of a better term, I was safe. So right now, I came into a point where I realized na people who has platforms such as mine right now, it's an avenue to create a noise, to create awareness with what's happening, so that the voiceless can be heard. I think that's one of the things I consider right now na parang nakikita na natin sa harapan natin, hindi ka pa magsasalita. And I think it's mere selfishness to be even silent at times like this. I'm saying this in general, not in any particular issues that we have, but yun lang yung na-realize ko na parang ang selfish ko naman that I'm blessed with this reach and platform that I have. Tapos, hindi ko siya magamit, hindi ko siya ginagamit to para makapagsalita dun sa mga taong hindi kayang magsalita. So I think, being here and being able to be a voice of someone or a group of people, it has a great effect pag nagsalita yung mga tamang tao. So, which is marami rin naman ng ganun po at the moment. And right now, I appreciate and I'm one with that movement wherein we fight for what is right and we fight for what is due to us. So I think that's very important given a platform that you can have a reach to certain group of people.
Thank you for your honesty. Tapos second question, kasi we all know that you are a big star, no? But then yung team ups, parang it played a big role on your success. Naging international star ka in a sense dahil nga sa success ng isang movie because of your team, of two movies na because of your team up. Ano yung view mo dun sa pagkakaroon ng team up now that you are a big star alone? Kailangan pa ba or hindi na? Ano yung sa'yo? Ano yung point of view?
Ako po, I really respect po kasi the culture that we have here in the Philippines especially. That we are such a huge fan of the love concept. So love teams, love stories, love genres in general, what have you. So ako parang it really depends upon the person right now, how they want to establish their path in terms of the career they're doing. But especially in show business right now, mas gusto natin talaga na, coming from a person behind the screen point of view po, mas gusto nilang nagsastart syempre sa Love Team. And I have to admit, and I have to say, that talagang a huge part of what made me now is because of my Love Teams before. And I thank them for that, and I thank those opportunities for that. Kasi we cannot parang eject that from the equation. That's what really made me at the moment. But right now kasi parang I'm at a point in my life na I wanna try to venture on it also and test if and see na, di ba, kaya naman din natin to create a name for ourselves, of course, and because of the things and the purpose that we have in this journey. It's very possible as long as you have good intentions. So, ako with the question kung kailangan pa po siya, hindi ko po kasi, I cannot speak on behalf of everyone. I mean, that depends on the person, if what route they wanna take.
Thank you, Alden. Congrats.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Sir